Good morning and welcome to another video, and it's competition day. I've been awake for like 20 minutes. I got up quite early because I wanted to weigh myself and make sure I was safe, and I can tell you that I weighed in at 92.1 kilos. The weight class is 93 kilos, so that means I'm in there pretty comfortably, which is awesome, because about 10 days ago I was starting to panic and think I wasn't going to make it, and it turns out I'm in there pretty easily. Yeah, that is just under 203 pounds, which is pretty nuts, come to think of it. What I'll do, I will make a video which will like kind of sum up my cut, like from start to finish, and the progress I've made and the weight I've lost. So that'll be up on Thursday, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But yeah, I feel like I've made a pretty massive change, so I'm pleased about that. Though with that said, I am looking forward to being able to eat more food, because the last few days have sucked. Okay, I'm going to leave fairly soon because I want to get to the comp early, because I want to, obviously I should be well under the weight class, but I want to make sure that obviously on the competition scales everything is okay. Before I go, I've got to do a bag check, make sure I've got everything. My bag is down here. Got all my standard stuff like singlets, socks, shoes, bottles, chalk, all that kind of crap. Also got quite a lot of food, because the plan is basically after I weigh in to drink and eat loads, because I haven't drunk since 8 o'clock yesterday evening. So I've got loads of Lucozade, this brioche thing, which is really good because it's easy to eat, and the whole thing is like 1200 calories. I've got wrap again. My basic criteria for food today is just stuff that's really easy to eat and really calorific. I got these because they look really good. They're like Belgian chocolate cookies, some Boost bars, and then, believe it or not, I went and got some Haribo, because I've just managed to get the 25,000 calorie horror nightmare thing out of my brain, so I think I should be good to eat that. So I'm going to pack everything up, say goodbye to Sez and Luca, and then get over there. And I am here. Weigh-in opens in like 5 minutes, so I'm going to get in there now, because I want to weigh in as early as I can, because that will give me the biggest window to get calories and drink in before I start lifting. I'm really excited about the weigh-in, because, I mean, if you're new to powerlifting or you've never competed before, I'll give you a quick run through of how it works. You basically line up in a queue full of massive, fat, hairy men in their pants, and then you go into a dark room where two old guys are sat behind a desk in suits, and you stand in front of them on a scales for a bit. So it's always the highlight of the day for me. So let's get in there. I'm done. I weighed in. I was 92 kilograms, which is pretty obscene. That means I was a kilo underweight. So in the end I lost more than I had to, but obviously I wanted to be on the safe side. At least I know now that it's kind of bang on, so I know my scales are accurate. Yeah, I've got a good couple of hours until I lift, so for now the plan is get as much food and liquid in my body as I physically can. So first up on the agenda, I've got, I've made this up, it's just like whey protein, quite a lot of it, with about 10 grams of creatine, because I haven't had creatine for the last week, and although it probably won't get in my system fast enough to work, I'll just feel better if I have it, so I'm going to do that. I've got loads of Lucozade, so I'll do at least one of those. I'm going to eat as much of this brioche as I can, looks really good. A Boost bar or two, and then if I fancy them, a couple of these bad boys. So let's go. Okay, so I've had a reasonable amount of that, a cookie, a Boost bar, and then whey with creatine, and I'm pretty friggin' full up. I think the last week has like shrunk my stomach. I have noticed that, because I found like even eating the small meals in the evening I've been eating, it's kind of filled me up a little bit. But yeah, like a month ago I could have eaten that like 3 times over, so I'm going to wait a bit because I don't want to like feel sick and stuff. I've still got a while to get more food in, so I'll give it a little while and then I'll hit it again. Right, update, the guys before me are just about to start deadlifting, so I'm going to stick on my leotard, or singlet as it's professionally called, and then I guess I'll start warming up in maybe like half an hour or so. Singlet is on, deadlift is almost finished, so I'm going to start my warm up. 215 kilos, which is pretty conservative. Yeah, see you there. Squat is done, and I'm really pleased with that. It's really unexpected. 245. Obviously, you know, it's not a massive number, but you're looking at 20 kilos below my PB, and that's with a massive weight loss, like 11 kilos lost, and I've only had 2 weeks training, so I'm really, really pleased. And I think come October, the British champs, like 100%. I'm gonna surpass my existing PB, I'm pretty sure about that. Also, I've come to the weighing room. This is where the magic happened this morning. There's the scales, that's where the old dude sat, and this is where the line of naked men was. Good memories. Anyway, eat some food, and then move on to the bench press. Excuse me. Cheers, Luca. Lucky charm? I think so. That sucked. That sucked really bad. I'm going to come back to the weight room because the weigh-in room, sorry, because it's really loud out there and you won't be able to hear anything I'm saying. Yeah, to be fair, I kind of expected bench press was going to be the one that really took a hit for two reasons. Firstly, obviously the weight loss. And when you lose weight, your bench press is, for me anyway, is always the first to take a hit. So that's the first thing. And then also because I had been benching 4 times a week. Obviously I had 2.5 weeks completely off. That is a massive, massive drop. So I didn't expect it to be bad. Maybe not quite that bad. That last one, like it felt like I was benching like 180. You know, it's ridiculous. But like I said, I only came here to get the qualifying total. So far I'm on track to do that. As long as I get my deadlift open, I've got it. Anything beyond that is a bonus, just that I'm quite competitive and now I'm here, I kind of want to win, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Right, let's get some food, relax, and then deadlift time.
Go up. Go up. Down.
Woo! Okay, so first things first, apologies for the second deadlift attempt that I didn't get. I don't really know what I did. Like I think I just got kind of so into the competition and checking everyone's numbers and stuff, I literally just forgot to press record, so that was stupid. But yeah, got 270. Now again, same as the squat. Obviously by my standards, it's not a very good deadlift, but considering everything that's happened, I'm really, really pleased. I did not expect to get that. And yeah, my squat and my deadlift, I'm very confident. I think come October, British Champs time, I'm gonna be in pretty good shape. Bench press, I don't know. I think it will come back. I don't know whether I'll get to 4 plates because it just felt horrendous. But you know, who knows? You know, we'll obviously find out over the coming months. Also, more importantly, I just did a drugs test, first ever one. The guy grabbed me and said, "Can we do it?" And I felt I needed a wee, so I said, "Yeah, let's fill your boots." It was a pretty strange experience. I literally had a dude standing behind me, peering over me while I went for a wee in a cup. So that was a first, but got it done, and yeah, I mean it'll be good because obviously I get loads of like accusations on YouTube, so hopefully that'll kind of shut a few people up. Anyway, I'm gonna go and kind of bum around, wait for the presentations, and then get home. Sitting in the car about to go home, but I thought I'd give a little update to all the like sordid little food perverts that might be wondering what I've eaten today. Also, here's my like doping drugs notification, wherever it is thing. There's my little plaque trophy thing, and then so here we go. So I have, oh, there's my socks. Did not eat those. There's 1 boost bar left. So I've done 3 boost bars. I've done basically the whole brioche apart from that little bit. I was like sick of it after a while. I've done 2 of those cookies, and then I've done the entire bag of Haribo plus 3 bottles of Lucozade, and then about 50 litres of water. Yeah, so obviously a pretty healthy, balanced diet for today. Let's go home. Back home, Luca is in bed. Says his mum's offered to babysit, and so me and Says are going out for dinner. Woo! I'm not going to film it for 2 reasons. Firstly, because I think this video's pretty long already, and secondly, because it'll be nice to have dinner and not have to worry about filming stuff, you know? So I'm going to end the video here, guys. So I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow.